Here's one of our keto diabetic diet staples. I lost 100 pounds in the last year. This is one of the main meals that I would make to be able to get along the journey. We would grab our 4-ounce patty. This one here is from Burger King, but we also make them ourselves, as well as get them from some of the other fast food establishments, so you can meal prep really easy. We take either some mild cheddar or sharp cheddar. Throw a piece of nice Swiss over the top. Throw it in the microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Ready to eat and devour. Now, depending on how I'm feeling for the day, I like to dress it up with an Italian feel with some pasta sauce, some Mexican feel with sour cream and guacamole, home-style feel with maybe some gravy, and I always like to do the sauteed onions. I'll actually have a video here so that you can see how I quickly do the sauteed onions without throwing them in the pan. They are now delicious, tender, and sweet, ready to eat with all your meals. And so this is a great meal. I've got to 1 meal a day while having my 50 ounces of sweet tea and my powder in the morning. But yeah, quick, easy, ready to go. After I eat this, plus however I decide to top it for the day, I'm going to be good and ready to go. Thank you so much for enjoying the recipe. If you have not already gotten a copy of our Scared of Needles, How I Lost 100 Pounds in 1 Year, please make sure you check the link below to get yourself a copy. It got me to get my A1C regular, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, got rid of fatty liver, obesity, and of course, no longer diabetic. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.